Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing. Today we are checking out a USB-C hub. So it's a 9-in-1 from Komkaer. It works with MacBook Pro, Chromebook, other Type-C devices. Trying to open the box here, it's a little difficult. Alright, so inside, that's the top. Instructions. That's it. So first glance, there it is. Okay, we got 3 USB, I believe 3.0 jacks there. Nothing on this side. Okay, you have an HDMI, also USB C port here. I wish they were labeled on there, but I mean most people know what these things are. And here you have your, looks like a micro SD and an SD card reader. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. All right, and on the end your gigabyte LAN plug-in right there. So Ethernet plug. So that's that. Nice sleek little device here. Oh, also on this end, what is that? Oh, audio jack there on the end there. Kind of hard to see, but it's right there. So that's that, my friends. And then obviously on this point here is the USB-C also, so you could plug that into your MacBook Pro and get rolling. I'm gonna try to use this on my Google Pixel XL, see what kind of devices I can hook up into it. Don't think it's really designed specifically for that, more like a computer type thing than a phone, but we'll check it out. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in a little bit, my friends.